Llama Llama Mad at Mama. Llama Llama having fun. Blocks and puzzles in the sun. Time to shop, it's Saturday. Llama Llama wants to play. First the shopping, then a treat. Mama Llama gets the seat. Llama dreaming in the car. Wake up, wake up, here we are. Great big building, great big signs. Lots of aisles, lots of lines. Llama Llama out with Mama, shopping at the Shop-O-Rama. Yucky music, great big feet. Lady smelling way too sweet. Look at knees and stand in line. Llama Llama starts to whine. Clearance sales and discount buys. What is little llama's size? Try it on and take it off. Pull and wiggle, itch and cough. Shirts and jackets, pants and shoes. Does this sweater come in blue? Brand new socks and underwear. Llama Llama does not care. Cheesy puffs and oaty crunch. What would Llama like for lunch? Llama Llama doesn't know. Llama Llama wants to go. Loaf of bread and cream of wheat. Llama Llama wants his treat. It's no fun at Shop-O-Rama. Llama Llama mad at Mama. Flying pasta, spraying juice, paper towels rolling loose, coffee, bread, and chips galore. Shoes and sweaters hit the floor. Crash the cart and smash the signs. No more waiting, no more lines. Out go socks and cheesy puffs. Llama Llama, that's enough. Please stop fussing, little llama. No more of this llama drama. I think shopping's boring too, but at least I'm here with you. Let's see if we can make this fun and get the llama shopping done. Let's be a team at Shop-O-Rama. Llama Llama shops with Mama. Sweep up pasta, mop up juice, wrap up towels rolling loose. Pick up puffs and find the socks. Put the shoes back in the box. Push the cart with Mama Llama. Almost done at Shop-O-Rama. Time to leave, the shopping's done. No more waiting, time for fun. Out to parking, not too far. Where did Mama leave the car? Snap the buckle, grab the box. Put on brand new shoes and socks. Say goodbye to Chapo-Rama. Llama Llama loves his mama. Finn throws a fit. Finn likes peaches, usually. But today, Finn doesn't like peaches. Today, Finn doesn't like anything. Today, Finn is cranky. Anything could happen. Uh-oh, thunder in the nursery. Lightning in the kitchen. Finn throws a fit. He cries. The house floods. He screams. Look out! Avalanche! He kicks. An earthquake shakes the world. Tidal waves sweep through the living room. Hurricanes rage in the dining room. Blizzards blow in the bathroom. The fit goes on and on. It lasts until it doesn't. The waters dry up. The winds die down. The snows melt. What was wrong with him anyway? He'd like those peaches now. Please. The Berenstein Bears get the screamies. I'm going to the mall, said Mama Bear as she put on her dress-up hat. And you may come, provided... Provided what? Asked Cub's brother and sister. Provided, said Mama, that you behave properly and remain calm throughout the trip, especially if we should happen to go past the toy store. Yes, Mama, said Brother. We shall behave properly and remain calm throughout the trip. Even, said Sister, if we should happen to go past the toy store. Mama's first mall stop was Buttons and Bows, a store that sold buttons, bows, thread, yarn, and everything else that had to do with sewing and mending. Mama checked her list and bought some spools of thread. Brother and sister behaved properly and remained calm, as they had promised. Buttons and Bows was nowhere near the toy store. Mama's next stop was the hardware store. Mama checked her list and bought a package of hacksaw blades and some drill bits for Papa. Brother and sister behaved properly and remained calm. The toy store was nowhere in sight. The next stop was bed and bath. Mama checked her list and bought a back brush and some pillowcases. Brother and sister looked all around. Where was the toy store? That's when Mama took a wrong turn. To the delight of the cubs and to the dismay of Mama, there it was, the toy store. The toy store! The toy store, cried the cubs, jumping up and down. I want a new Barbie, cried sister. I want a new video game, cried brother. Said Mama, looking at her list. I don't see anything here about toys. Now the cubs were jumping up and down and screaming. It was the worst case of the screaming screamies Mama had ever seen. The other bears at the mall were impressed too. Mama had enough. She began to jump up and down and scream. She even fell to the ground, kicking and screaming. It was the worst case of the screaming screamies the cubs had ever seen. They watched for a while. Can we leave now? Asked brother. Why, of course, said Mama, picking herself up and dusting herself off. And they left. Feet are not for kicking. Look at those feet. Aren't they sweet? 10 little toes, all in a row. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are feet for? Walking, standing, leaping and landing, running, jumping, climbing and pumping. Feet are not for kicking people. Ouch! Kicking hurts. If you want to kick, what can you kick? A big ball, a little ball, or leaves in the fall. If someone kicks you, what can you do? Say, feet are not for kicking people. Ouch! Kicking hurts. Look at those feet. Aren't they sweet? Wiggle them around. 10 little toes, all in a row. Feet are not for kicking someone. Feet are for fun.